so your girl is back, looking rough as per usual, but just dropped baby girl off to school. So she had picture day today, so that was super exciting. So now I'm actually was in the parking lot of Home Depot, but I decided not to get out of Home Depot because I ultimately know that I need to go to Ikea, because Ikea always has really good deals on shipping things. This guy is outside. I don't know if he's on his phone. Yeah, I think he's on his phone. But yeah, so I'm going to go to Ikea to get a desk so I could be able, like a little packing station along with heat press station, because I do need a flat surface to do this stuff on, because I don't have any of that at home, so I need it. So I literally yesterday I spent the whole day cleaning out one of our extra bedrooms. It just pretty much, it was always my room, then it became a catch-all room. But yeah, so let's go ahead and head to Ikea so we can get some stuff. All right, ready, let go. Okay, so I actually went home because I needed to get my charger, and luckily I did, because guess what, I came out the house thinking I have the right address in. I'm driving. I'm like, where the heck am I going? Literally going into a neighborhood. This is now, what, 20 minutes later. Just wasted a bunch of gas. Was not headed to Ikea. Like, what? I don't even know where I was going. You guys, pray for me today, Lord. Pray for me. All right, made it to Ikea an hour later. All right. Enter. Alright, I think I figured it out. So I was saying outside, I need to find a 60-inch width table, and I'm definitely going to get just the legs to go with it. And then if I say, I'm going to see how much the corner desks are for too, because I would like to put a corner one, so it kind of creates like a nice seamless blend in the room. But yeah, so let's get it. Okay, currently now lost in Ikea. Trying to get to the south. Okay. Alright, so I guess I'm going the wrong way. This is telling me this way. Alright, let's try to get the furniture so we can get out of here. What time is it? I don't even know, but I need to go home. I have to put this furniture together. Alright, so I think I'm headed the right way. Almost there. But yeah, Ikea, I haven't been to Ikea in years, okay? So this is a brand new experience for me, but I'm loving it. I'm enjoying it. But yeah. All right, so I found it. All right, so now let's go ahead and find what we came to find. Alright, so just got done with Ikea. Of course, it was a whole production. So as you guys saw, I picked up two things. I got the shelving unit, and I also got the desk situation. But guess what? The shelving unit has two packages, and of course when I got there, there was only literally one pack of the shelving unit left. All right, so let's head on home so we can go ahead and get set up. So I still have to remove stuff out of the office space. I still have this, one of my little chairs that I redid. So I need to take that out of there and put that in the garage, all that good stuff. So anyway, let's head home. I have a 30-minute drive, so let go. Ooh, hey y'all. So I'm back. We are pretty much 6 days later. A lot happened last week. Oh, a lot happened with mamahood, workhood, all that stuff, the salon, all that good stuff. But we're back, we're at it. So I'm actually in my office space right now. So the last time I spoke to you guys, I talked about how I had to clean up my office room here in the house. And I went to Ikea to get a desk. So I did not record what it looked like before because it was just a mess. I wasn't trying to do all of that. But just know that she is cleared out. Put the IKEA desk right here. So bam. And then I have this little side table that I plan to probably put in the corner there. And then this room, it will be a guest room / my office. So we will be putting a bed in here because we do have guests coming over this holiday season. So we need a bed for them to stay in. And then this little piece that I've had for a while now because I want to display all of my products as I fold them and all that good stuff. I hub them there. So when they need to ship out, everything will just be there and I just ship out. So I'm thinking to get another desk to probably put over here. So that could be like my packing station. This over there will be my ironing station, and then over here will be like my packing station. So, but yeah, so I have to get ready for work now. Actually, we had a lot of boxes inside our garage that needed to get breakdown. So I'm just, starting to get that garage situated because it is just a mess. So helping hubby out with that because it's a 2-man job, so I decided to help him out a bit. I put a little dent in the little stash that we had, so that's good. But yeah, so far this is what the office space is looking like. I have to obviously clear that out, organize over there properly. Then I did get some stuff from Ross and the Dollar Tree for organization for when it comes to actually putting the transfers in, like thank you cards, stickers, and all that good stuff, because I do plan to sell stickers as well. Yeah, super excited. But yeah, so that's the update on what's going down. Yeah. But yeah, I need to get ready for work so I could go do this. I have one client today, which I am not mad about. So I'm gonna go ahead, cut her hair real fast, and then come back and do what gets to be done. Alrighty, see y'all later. Bye. Hey, so I'm back. I picked up the camera, so I am in the office space that I am officially done with. All right, so big task. I had to clear out this room because it was literally a catch-all. It became a catch-all, and it just needed to get together because we do have family coming over this holiday season. So I needed to make it into a space that I could actually do work out of, but also put a bed in here, like an actual bed. So yeah, but this is what the office is looking like. I'm so excited about this because it's going to be, where I get all of my orders. So this is my little wardrobe situation. I love it so much. I love that I have these little sections so I could just put stuff in, put cubes and whatnot. So yeah, so I'm able to put stuff on the top of it. Yeah, so this is going to be where I put all of my crew neck, all of my shirts. So once I'm done pressing it, I just hang them up and we could steam them and then package them out. And then this is the desk situation. So right now I have the Rollo printer along with some filing filing the situation. Then I have a little acrylic thing. I'm just going to add things as they come. And of course, this is my office chair. And then this bad boy, I saw when I went to Ikea to get this finally put it together. And I did raise up the legs because I am tall. So I do, I need it to be a nice height. So I'm able to press comfortably. So I do have my Cricut machines. There we go. We got the big one, we got the mini one. Because I do plan to use the mini to actually, press on my logo on the t-shirts and crew necks. So that's exciting. And I'm just using this little mat as when I put cold drinks on it. This is actually from my Dyson air dryer, so it definitely comes in handy. It matches the aesthetic. And yeah, so right now what I need to do, I'm actually going to go ahead and cut the transfers up because I do want to go ahead and transfer one over, try to practice doing a little pressy. So I'm super excited about that. Then over here, I just have a little station where I'm pretty much going to use it when things come in, like if whatever I need to put in there, I'll use it. But I just right now have like gel pens in there. Then over here, I have my little side table that I cleared that out, dumped everything that was in there because it really had like color and whatnot. So I was able to, clean it out. So now I'm just going to put all my shipping stuff in there. And then and then down here, I'm going to keep all of paper, printer paper, all that good stuff. And then I don't know if so I did get these acrylic trays from Ross. So this actually was like a vanity situation. That top actually came with this, but I decided to separate them because they really don't need to be together. But I loved how deep these were and how wide. So I'm able to put so much things. So I do plan to put my stickers, my thank you cards, and all my sticker stuff, my thank you cards and all that good stuff, what I plan to sell and what I plan to use as packaging stuff. So then up here, these are like a little divider situation. So I'm actually planning to put all my transfer sheets in those, so I'm able to see all the transfer sheets that I have and able to keep tab on my inventory. Here I plan to put another desk. I'm going to do it where it's shorter. So this is going to be my packing station. It's that. And then over here, this is my bad boy, my display shelving unit situation that I am absolutely obsessed with. I got this when I first moved into this house. I got it because I knew my room, my office space, my space to create. I needed somewhere to display all of my merch, all of my products. So this is something that I wanted and I knew that it was going to come in handy one day. I did launch some bonnets before, so I would put my bonnets on there before I took it to the salon. I would have a pair, so I'll just pick, and then take it to the salon. But now this is going to house crew necks. This is going to house all my planners. But yeah, guys, so this is the final office space situation. I am loving it. I am so excited to get to work. So yeah, let's do something. Okay, first I need to cut up these transfer sheets. So let's go ahead and do that. So we are back, and if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Ashley Lynn, and I am the owner of Ashley Lynn Hair Care, salon owner. And here we are launching new products for my business. We're coming out with planners, we're coming out with t-shirts, we're coming out with crew necks. So all of the fun designs, I'm taking you guys along on how I am preparing pretty much how I am creating all of these things that I am creating. So all of these ideas has been sitting in my brain for years, but the planner was something that definitely just came to me this year. So I've been working on it now for the past 4, 5, 6 months. So I just got the email, just got the mock-up. Literally, it's all made, it's binded together. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. All of my hard work, it looks so good. I can't believe it. Like, it looks so good. So I cannot wait to get it in my hands. This is a product that's going to change the game. I am claiming it. God is on my side. This is something that He gave to me in terms of all the things that I was watching, all the things that I was consuming, and just my business in general on what I do. Me being a hairstylist, that is, like, I've been building up I built up my business from the ground zero to where I am today, and everything that I have been doing in the salon is pretty much what this planner is about. Pretty much giving people a confidence that they need for their hair care journey, because a lot of people don't know where to start, don't know how to start, don't know how to keep up with things. So this planner was created with so much things in mind. Also, it just has so many little things. I can't wait to show you guys once I get it in my hands. But I literally just placed the first order, the actual big order of 300 planners. You guys, I am doing it. I am going big, or we are going home. Hey, so I just placed a huge order of 300 planners. And let me tell you, so the bank was like, hey, what are you doing, ma'am? I had to call the bank this morning, and they were like, there was a block, so the fraudulent department had to verify all of my information. Did that, just went back, placed my order. So now my manufacturer, now we're actually talking now. I see she's up pretty late. She said, I'm gonna stay up for this sale. And let me tell you, she is amazing. And all my manufacturers, all my vendors who I'm using for all of my products, I will have an ebook for you to purchase, a vendors list. So if you're interested in getting planners made, getting journals made, or getting t-shirt, DTF made, I'll have all of that information once my website launches. Oh my goodness. So my website is pretty much in construction, because once I launch with my products. So super excited. But yes, so right now I just did that. So for the rest of the day, I have some other things I need to do in terms of personal. I need to make, So, but anyway, this is all about my small business vlog. So next time I see you guys, I will have something to update you guys on. All right, bye.